Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. You are watching Fix Flicks, where we're all about DIY, reviews and other car related material. Okay, what we got here is a common issue with E90 BMWs. It works with aux and USB. It's the same size actually. So the idea is that the tab over here breaks, the tab right over there in the corner, and just this plug just falls in. It's really hard to get out. It's impossible to use after. So I came up with a simple fix, which is cheap. You can do it yourself at home. First we're gonna just fish it out and unhook it. Once you have this, you're gonna measure from this side to that side and from this side to that side. You're gonna cut out a hole. I use a notebook which has this plastic hardcover, which works good for me. So what I did was I cut out a template like this. So if you slide it over, you can unbend a little bit, make them a little bit, simply just plug it back in and push it in. It will prevent the plug from going in. As you can see, it fits pretty nice. And let's test it out. So this is my USB adapter. So just plug it in. If you like the video, hit thumbs up and subscribe.